Today, I will be reviewing a vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it is a Bissel featherweight bagless vacuum. It has wheels on the bottom, 2 wheels, and it has 4 wheels. This lighting is great. It has a on and off switch, right? I also like to call vacuums noisemakers and PTSD triggerers. There is a hatch here. Oh wow! I'll review the cord first, so then I can review this bit. This is a typical one of those cord things. Prongs, little devil, little booger. You unwrap it. This is the best part. You can pull this thing. Oh. I thought for sure that was going to like lengthen it. I do not know what the purpose of that is. Travel! It's easy to travel with. See, now it's shorter. You can, you know, pack it up in a bag. And you, snap shut up at the top when it's in travel mode. There's some vents over here. It flaps for best performance. Oh, here is the disposal thing. This is how you get to the chute stuff. Clean language channel, for now at least. You also have to make sure to do it this way, where you put the weight on this side and then clip it in. No. Yes. There's a pretty steep learning curve. The handle is made of fine plastic, blue dye infused. It is a gray-blue color. The shaft is a nice silver, probably stainless steel or pure silver. On-off switch. Here's the label. Nothing but the finest of paint for the label. This is also the same plastic as the handle. There are some warnings on the side. It's in French. Should be in Spanish. A little racist joke. It says warning with the little triangle and exclamation mark. To reduce the risk of electronic shock. To reduce the risk. This is a great vacuum for daredevils. Where does stuff get sucked up? I guess it comes up through this one little hole. You gotta really aim right, I guess. But there's also a rubber flap here, so maybe it goes up this thing too. Who knows? It does its job though. And here's where the cord goes in. So you can see you have a long cord. And it's long enough to reach across most of my room. And then I can just put it in the other outlet and then I have enough room. Let's see this guy in action. Goodbye.